Good morning. I'm Terri Eagan, President of the Bethlehem Chamber of Commerce, and we're really excited to be here this morning at Holcim. And I'm going to let my guest introduce himself.
Hey, good morning. I'm Dave MacLauchlin. I'm the plant manager for Holcim's Ravena cement plant.
Dave, thank you so much for allowing us to come in and take a look at this incredible facility. We were just saying, I think so many people pass by here either on the Thruway or 9W, see towers and wonder, what the heck goes on in there? Could you tell us a little bit about what you do here?
Absolutely. We are the last remaining cement producer in New York State. So we make cement. We manufacture Portland cement. And our cement is used up and down the East Coast in the local market in the Albany area, Vermont, southern Vermont, over into Massachusetts. You know, we ship cement from Ravena to on the barge or via barges on the Hudson River and up the coast of Boston, Providence, New Haven, College Point in New York, Bayonne in New Jersey, and Brooklyn.
Wow. Dave, you talked about rebranding the facility here in Ravena, Holcim. Have there been upgrades to the plant, obviously, since 1962? Oh
yeah. So the biggest upgrade that we did came online in 2017, and that's with the large tower that kind of dominates the skyline in southern Albany County. So it was about a $475 million modernization, roughly. Originally intended to be a complete plant replacement, but turned into a new kiln system. So some of the support equipment for the plant is still 1962, but the heart of the plant is a modern plant. So that's a big investment that was made. Also the biggest example of decarbonization that we have in our business right now. So that with the fuel efficiency upgrades that we gained through that modernization. But even after 2017, Holcim has been investing in Ravena, and we continue to invest in Ravena.
So you're not going anywhere,
We're not going anywhere.
That's great. One of the other things, Dave, too, in addition to all the phenomenal industrial type things that you do, and obviously having, you know, a huge impact on our workforce here, is the community give back that Holcim does. We watch and hear so many things in regard to your community service. Could you just talk about that a little bit?
Yeah, it's not a matter of simply doing business in Ravena, in the Queens area. Many of our employees actually live in this area, so not only do we do business, we live here. We want to be engaged in the community. We want to help out. We want to be involved in what's going on in the communities, so whether it's participating and being a sponsor of the Ravena Friendship Festival, some of the different festivals like Evening on the Green concert series with the town of Queens. We're involved and we sponsor those, but also we look at local sports clubs. And really, one of the things that the plant really is proud of that happened last year, and I'm particularly proud of just how it came, is the senior project in Ravena. We actually donated a vehicle to them.
Oh wow!
So that was huge. So that kind of came. So we have a individual that came forward with a project that he was very engaged with the senior project, Greg McDade, and he came with this idea. And, he saw that we were buying a lot of vehicles for use inside the plant. And he came one day and said, "Hey, what if we buy a vehicle for the senior project?" I'm like, I don't know if we can do that. That I don't know. We got to think about that. And then it kind of turned into, well, I'll tell you what. Why don't we see if we can get some other support in the community and get some other, get some of the other larger businesses and see if they would also help sponsor this, and we'll match. And I didn't really give it a lot of thought. I'm like, I'll match up to $20,000.
Oh wow!
And Greg actually was out of town. I think I gave that to him on a Friday. Greg was out of town. In fact, Greg was in Texas. And by Monday morning, he pretty much had actually $20,000. I'm like, okay. Now I guess we're gonna do this.
Yeah.
Now we gotta figure out the process to get this done. And we muddled our way through, and we actually got it done. So,
Dave, I just have to say, again, it's funny that I think so many people aren't really sure what this is here, but the impact that you have on the community is just phenomenal. And I have to say thank you on behalf of the Chamber, because you Holcim and Lafarge before that has been great supporter of the Bethlehem Chamber, and we're so appreciative of that support as well. Is there anything else you'd like to add before we finish today?
yeah, I'd say stay tuned. There may be an open house coming.
Oh, that would be great. Well, thank you so much, Dave. Thank you again. And again, congratulations on the upgrades, the plant, the facility, the production, just everything. Thanks so much.
Thank you.